Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you and teach you step by step how you can block pop-ups and redirects in the Waterfox web browser in 2026. So let us dive into this. So what you want to do, guys, is open Waterfox web browser, of course, and after that, what you want to do is navigate to your browser settings. If you don't know how to access these, guys, it works actually the same way as on Mozilla Firefox. Simply click into these three lines here and select settings. So here, guys, let me do some research for you. You will need to navigate to this section here to the left, privacy and security. And here, scroll all the way down inside that menu till you get to the pop-up and redirect feature. Let me find it really quickly. There it is. Block pop-up windows, for example. So on default, it will be disabled. However, guys, if you accidentally enabled it, you may simply turn it off here. So turn these pop-up windows and redirects here. As you can see, it works not the same way as on Google Chrome. You will find it under privacy and security, and here under exceptions, you may always add websites you want to give or grant exceptional permissions to show you these pop-ups and redirects, but it's totally up to you guys. That's how it works. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.